Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you 8 items that I feel are great gift buying items from Coach. If you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so the first item is going to be the Coach Nolita 15 in the strawberry haze color. I actually do already have a similar color like this in the Nolita 15. It's a lighter version pink, more of a coral color, but I find this color very pretty as a spring color or even just a fall winter color. There really is no limit to when you can wear this item. It'll be great in bags and great as a cute little mini bag to carry out on dates, or even as a wristlet, as it does have that option. So this would be the first item that I would recommend as a nice gift giving item, and at the price point of only $59. The price does vary, so you have to choose which one you want to get. Right now Coach does have a surplus color, which is like an army green color, that is on sale for like $47. So that's also a great one to buy, and I do also have that color as well. The next item is going to be the Coach Nolita 19 in the color block with the horse and carriage print. Now what I love about this color is that it has this pretty light blue color on it, and I feel like that would be a great color for the spring. I'm actually looking at adding this into my collection, especially since it is on sale. So hopefully it is still on sale or available by the time I get off of Band Island. I know a lot of items are flying off the shelf right now because Coach is having this awesome sale. So if you're able to get these items as a gift, go ahead and get the item. This item is priced at $79 currently, but the price does fluctuate as Coach has sales. The next item, which is kind of grouped in the same category as number 2, would be the signature canvas with disco star print. This item reminds me of the Gucci bag that came out where they had the stars on the bag. I was really drawn to this item because of the stars itself. I found it very cute, and I'm happy to see Coach exploring and experimenting with the stars and different things like this on their bags. I do have a couple of bags where Coach has put these prints and patterns on their items, and I am drawn to this. This would be a cute little Nolita to get for someone as a gift as well. Alright you guys, this next item is their cosmetic case. This one is their newest release. It is the Cosmetic Case 17 in the puffer quilting fabric. Now Coach comes out with cosmetic cases all the time. They vary in size, texture, patterns, different things like that. I actually currently have a blossom pink color. Alright. Now I am drawn to these. They are really handy, really cute to use, and I have them in a hot pink and a blue and pink. This cosmetic case also comes in a signature print, and the price for the signature print is $39.20, and the puffer one is $51.20. Now these prices do change. Next on my list are the Coach notebooks. These are really great for someone who is interested in buying a Louis Vuitton agenda, but you really don't want to spend that money. And if you're like me, where you are addicted to notebooks and you like to change up your style every year with a new notebook cover or style, whatever it is, may be the case with your notebooks, I definitely encourage you to go with the Coach option. Right now they have this notebook available for $49. I did purchase this notebook. I actually have purchased all the Coach notebooks because I'm addicted to them, and I have them in my collection. I have purchased all the notebooks. I currently have this one out to show you. I have not used this notebook yet. This one is my newest acquisition. They come with a color interior. And the pages are lined so that you can write on them. So this one I think was also 50 bucks. And you can find these when they release them in a variety of patterns and prints on their website. You just kind of have to stalk the website. And any of these items that I can find, I will link down below for anyone who is interested in these items. The next item is going to be the Coach Rain Booty. Now, I do not have this item yet in my collection. I've really been fighting the urge to buy them, but I've decided I do want them. They are in like a hunter forest green color, and it has some pink accents on the back of the shoe and around the ankle of the shoe. I'm going to go ahead and get them because they ironically are my sorority colors, and I would definitely like to have these boots to wear with my darker green colored tops that I like to wear, especially my ones from Old Navy. It's the perfect color combination to wear for the fall, so I definitely want to get these boots. They currently retail for $98. You have to be careful with the sizing though, because I know a lot of Coach shoes, they run narrow. So if you have wide fat feet like me, be careful. You might want to try to order you 2 pair as a backup and just send the ones back that don't fit, or return them back to the store. So definitely a great option to buy as a gift for someone if you know that they have nice taste, or they want something a little bit more upscale, I would say, luxury branded. The next bag I'm going to talk about is the Coach Pillow Tabby 18 in the candy pink color and ivory color. What I love about these bags is that they are mini bags, and if you are into mini bags right now, this is the perfect option to get, as it has that puffy factor and it has very pretty colors. That's great for spring, great for summer, and I think it's appropriate for a lot of different ages. Now, you do want to be careful on the height of the person who you buy this for. They currently retail at $3.95, but I think it's definitely a great gift option for someone who is younger, if you kind of feel like someone younger would like it as an option, or someone who is older. If you know their style, then you know that this would be appropriate or not for that person. So this would be my number 7 pick on my list. Alrighty guys, and for my 8th item, I'm going to share the trail bag, and this is the trail bag with the quilting, and it is in a gold metallic color. Now, I saw this bag and I instantly fell in love with the bag. One, because of the color. Right now, I'm drawn to metallic colors. It kind of reminds me of my Chanel bag that I just bought, and then I love that trail bag style. It reminds me of my Vanity PM. What I've learned about the Coach bags is that they are actually easier to open than the Louis Vuitton bag. So this would be a definite bag I would add to my collection. I've been eyeing a gold bag. Haven't seen one that I've really liked, but this one, because it has a leather and gold chain kind of combination strap, I definitely could see myself adding this to my purse collection, and it retails currently for $4.95 or $4.75, I think, on their website. So it's definitely a cute little bag to add. It's a year-round bag, so you definitely can get your wear out of it. But I definitely suggest you snag it up, because the Coach trail bags have gone so quickly and so fast, and you cannot find these bags on the pre-loved market. And if you do, the condition is usually not what you would want, especially for the price people are trying to charge for these bags. Alright, so that's my number 8 option. Alright, you guys, and for my number 9 option, I'm going to share, this is like a 9 and 10. I would suggest some type of Coach SLG. This one I bought last year and I had lost it until I was cleaning out my room so I could redo my office. But as you can see, it has the signature canvas and it has the pink on it. So I bought this to go with my gallery signature tote bag. I think Coach accessories are very pretty. They're reasonably priced. You can usually get them for average on like $40, which is about how much I paid for a lot of my accessories. I'll link some of my older videos where you can see some of my Coach accessories and different things like that, where I've unboxed a couple of these items. But I definitely recommend you buying someone a nice, cute Coach accessory you can attach to a bag. They're very small to put away and keep in little mini bags or larger bags. So I feel like this is a good accessory to get someone who they're not a fussy person. They don't want large, huge gifts, but you can get them something really cute and quaint that they would like. This is actually a coin purse. And Coach has coin purses that come in many different styles and colors. I have about 5 now in my collection, which is an excess, so I definitely will not be adding any more, hopefully. But this is definitely a great item to get someone. So this is number 9 on my list. Alright, you guys, and my number 10 item would be a Coach card case. You cannot go wrong with a basic card case from Coach. Right now, mini bags are all the craze, but even for someone who is carrying a larger bag, I think a card case is excellent to buy. It's easy to carry. If someone wants to keep their main cards separate from their other cards, or they carry a bulkier wallet, it's a nice little item to hurry up and grab and to put back where you're not shifting through your purses. And you can always slide the card case in that little itty bitty slot that's available on your bag that sometimes seems useless. This is the perfect item to put in that slot. So I definitely suggest a Coach card case, and definitely getting it in a fun color. Sometimes for those who they're not into the fun colors, those signature prints are available. But for me, I'm into the hot pink colors, the light pink colors, the reds, the greens, the yellows, the mustards, the blues. So I like to have those pops of color in my bag, especially when you have a bag that's a black hole. You want to try to get something that someone can see and access pretty easily. So that would be my number 10 on my list of items to get from Coach. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the end of my video. If you have any questions on any of these items, I will link all these items in the description box. I will put the current prices of them right now, but please be advised that because some of them are on sale and they are available, they might change. But at least if you have an opportunity to buy any of these, you can. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a video. And I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.